A very soggy start for our Wednesday morning. We see showers across the viewing area, and those showers will stick around for the remainder of our Wednesday, as well as headed into our Thursday. Some more along the Mississippi River, and those tornado watches will be moving into the area later for us today. But right now, we are under a high wind warning for most of Mississippi, and those wind gusts are ranging from about 40 to 50 mile per hour winds that we can expect to see right before we get into that severe weather around 3. Multiple storm reports for us here in Northeast Mississippi due to that severe weather that we had yesterday, due to that cold front system that came through. A lot of strong winds for here in Starkville. We can see that those winds did actually knock some of those trees down for us on campus. Also, a tornado was reported in West Point. We're still waiting for additional information to see how severe that tornado was. Hours tomorrow as well. Rain for the rest of our week, 50% chance today. 70 as we move into our Thursday, so make sure that you have that rain gear handy. Some of those showers will clear out Friday and Saturday, and that front moving through will bring us an increased rain chance at the beginning of our next week. For the next 7 days, so that means we will have some damaging winds and also a possibility for some tornadoes. Now, before that storm arrives, you want to make sure that any objects outside you have tied down so the wind do not take them away. Know a safe place that you can go in the event that there is a tornado. As we head into our lunchtime hour, 74 as we head into 3 p.m. The warmer trend will continue for the remainder of our week, well above average for this time of year as we sit in the 70s, but we do drop down to 59 degrees on Monday due to that cold front system that we will be seeing moving through, and we will continue to be warm across the U.S. as well. Today that wind will stick around, so 76 degrees. It will be breezy outside, and into our overnight hour, sitting at 53 degrees, bringing in some of that rain that we will wake up to tomorrow morning. Across the area, that frontal system will be moving through into the overnight hours, bringing some of those showers already in the area for us as we sleep. Waking up into the morning, those showers will stick around as we head out the door, going to school and going to work. Already, we have multiple severe thunderstorm warnings attached to that line of storms that will be moving into our area later today. Clouds are in the area for us. Most of the storms that we will see will come into the area around 3 o'clock. We can already see some showers out here at 1 p.m. Some of those severe storms coming into the area, but the main threat for us will be between 3 and about 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock is where we will see our heavier showers, and also possible chance for some tornadoes embedded in those storms that will be coming through. By 9 p.m., that severe weather will be out of the way for us, attached to that cold front. Headed into Thursday morning, we will be out of the way of the rain completely, waking up to some more cooler temperatures for our Thursday morning and some clear skies. Right now for us, temperature is at 74 degrees. Very cloudy out here as we look outside of Hillman Hall, and those clouds will continue to roll in with those winds out of the south at 18 miles per hour, and those winds will increase as we get ready for those storms coming into the area. Right now we are under a high wind warning. This is the first time since 2011 that we have seen a high wind warning for Mississippi. Now those wind gusts will be between about 40 to 50 mile per hour winds ahead of the storm. As the storm comes, we could see some hurricane force winds almost reaching up to 70 plus mile per hour winds for us. Now, looking at the timeline of the storm, the main threat for some of our northern counties will be between noon and 5 o'clock. For us here in the Golden Triangle, our main threat will be about 4 p.m. to at least lasting until 10 o'clock. Some showers will still linger in the area for us at that 10 o'clock hour. Now, our primary threat for today will be those strong winds, knocking down some trees possibly, and also maybe even a power outage, but tornadoes cannot be ruled out. So, preparing us for those possible tornadoes, let's look at some safe places in our home to go when if that tornado threat is here. So right now you want to get in the bathtub. Please just stay away from the windows. Get into the interior part of your home. and maybe even a closet that is inside the main hallways. Tomorrow, again, that rain is out of the way for us. The sunshine does return, 68 for our high, and just keeping us some mild, calm conditions. For the next 7 days, after today, after that rain chance that we have in those severe thunderstorms, we cool down into the 60s, setting us up for a nice week. Until the start of next week, we will see our next chance for some rain.